So, Wayne, talk a little bit about when a police officer might be present for a medical forensic exam at the hospital.
Yeah, so if a survivor is willing and the time since the incident is appropriate, we would offer them a ride to the hospital, the local hospital. We'd call ahead, and there's what's called a forensic nurse, and she'd be able to do an examination of the survivor, go through different medications they may need, or attend to them physically if there's injuries. But also, they'd gather samples and evidence that would be collected. So, our role is just simply in getting them there, telling them about it, encouraging them to have it done, and giving them a ride. Um, Usually, they're there for a few hours, and then they'd call us when they're done, give them a ride back to wherever they want to go. Or perhaps they'd be picked up at that point by someone in their support circle. It's They're often called rape kits, but suffice it to say, they're packets of evidence that can be used in a court hearing later on. They don't, so it's important to remember you don't need to file a police report to have one of these done. Often, a survivor will go and have this procedure done at a local hospital without my knowledge. I won't even know about it. The hospital will keep it on in storage. They'll contact the local jurisdiction usually, maybe the local police department for that town, and that police department will come and pick it up and actually just store it. We can keep these, you can do anonymous kits, so you don't even have to attach your name to them. There's been a lot of laws and legislation around these kits and protecting people's choice and identity. And these are kept on file at the local PD or in cold storage indefinitely until the survivor is ready to maybe make a report. And then if they come to me and they're making a report, I'm able to go and retrieve that, send it down to the main crime lab where it could be processed and used in a criminal prosecution.